Alright, here we are. We're on the water. GoPro 5. See, there's our place right over there. We're hanging out. That lady is talking to Sue Ellen. Her and her sister paid $8,000 to be here for 3 weeks. The all-inclusive. It's not worth it. I mean, I get it. They have one restaurant, one bar. It's like, well, should have investigated, but I guess. But yeah, we're on the. You're gonna see the water's cold. You ready? The Nancy boy's gonna wonder. Ooh. Let's go around the water there. I got my knockoff sunglasses. Michael Jordan be pissed. So yeah, we're having a good old time. This video will probably be up after that back trip. So we're gonna decide the GoPro. Let's go look down here. GoPro 5. Heck yeah. Oh. Well, I think I have my Randall hat on. Anyways, so. Yeah. I haven't pulled this GoPro 5 out in a long time. She didn't bring my snorkel. That's not a big deal. They have snorkel stuff here as well. But yeah. Got fall watching you swallow salty water or a salty dog. So. We're over here. She was whining. She's from Montreal, Canada. She was teaching me some French. I was like, you can barely speak English more. French. But yeah, the water's nice, man. What do you guys think about this, huh? I told Deuce he wasted his money on a 7. Could have got a 4 and a 5 for, you know, the 4, like I said, I got all the bells and whistles, my microphone. I did see Pork Chop. You got your 6. That microphone's way too big. Could have got a 4 with that clip on I have. Perfect. I get it. I mean, it's good you're gonna get out and do something, get out of your mother's house. So I saw that. Okay. You know, spending some of your stimulus money, your welfare money. That's way too big of a microphone. Buy the microphone for that GoPro 4 is only was $10. Thought I lost the first one, so she bought me another one, and I found the other one later on. So there's probably an attachment. But I use however the sound is on this bad, but we don't care. It's mainly when I go in the water. Should we go into the submarine again? Can we go ready? Dun 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 dun. So go to the rocks over here. All those houses up there. Kind of cool, huh? That building that was right outside of Divi Resort was a Divi Little Bay. They sold that to somebody that was from Massachusetts. So they sold that bad boy. So we're gonna go over to there's another place right next to these guys. See this one right here. We're gonna go to that restaurant over there for breakfast. Tomorrow morning, we have the 10th because today is on the 9th. So this is recording on our 27th anniversary. So we're gonna go over there for all-you-can-eat rib dinner for $20 each. Go over there. Breakfast. How close we are to the beach? Walk right over. I think it's like not over. People here, a lot of empty places, but that place is up there. They're building. They're really nice. See you got here. Not yet. We went to 4-wheeler. Today we're gonna walk into town. Okay. Come back. Oh yeah, gotta watch your ankles here. You're gonna break them. All kinds of good stuff. So, I highly recommend you guys gotta come here. It's a great place. But yeah, they did the all-inclusive for her and her sister. The woman's got mobility problems, so she can't go certain areas. She effed up her ankle. So, a pretty big lady, but I get it, but totally got screwed. They advertise all these restaurants, but they don't. So, she's trying to get moved to other places. It's like she's right next to the bar. You know, so, ooh, here. Yeah, get douche here. Yeah. want to go to that Lucas Bay over there. What the hell? Checking from behind, you little bastards. Didn't see that one coming. But anyways, kind of hanging out over here. And then it recedes. Let my people go. Oh no. Ooh. Shall we? Get out of here before we get killed. Best thing, you have barbecue. I'm rolling in here. Some rocks. So you'll see a lot of shells. I see a lot on the Oregon coast. Walk through here. So yeah, this GoPro 5 is just fine. I mean, I know the sound isn't probably perfect through the case, and this is a total complete waterproof. I mean, the other 4 can be going to case. This came with the case. It stays the way it is. The microphone is, you know. All kinds of fun rocks. Sue Ellen likes rocks. Go over here, take a picture of her sitting on a rock. Oh my god. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, those are ankle breakers over there. If you're obese, which I am kind of, that wouldn't exactly be a good place to go. I could see douche or plan handout coming over here. Can you imagine? Can you imagine, you guys? Plan handout, day 25. Vacationing together here. Oh my god. Plan handout would leave on a jet plane. He can go, I'll meet him down in New York. He can Greyhound it down, and we can go straight from New York. Fly, because they have direct flights. That's where we're gonna go over there. Restaurant for breakfast tomorrow morning, and then they also have ribs. I don't know what this place is called, but right next to Divi. In the water and some rocks, huh? I know it's hard to believe that you do leave the state or your city and leave your house and go on vacation. This is what working for tips does, and saving you money. The flight was free because it was owed to us. It was for both of us to come here, you guys, from the 8th all the way to the following Friday, $2,200. That's to stay here. I'll take it. We're right over here, so that's not bad. Done some GER today. About $100, some shit, stuff for day 25. Oh, we got a little thing here. We can see if we can get close to him. You see him? Thank you, youngster. There he goes. Yeah. Now here before you get breaking ankle. How are you? Yeah, I'm not videotaping you. It's a GoPro. So it's a GoPro 5. Yeah. Waterproof. No, I'm not videotaping you, girl. Don't worry about that. Just saying hello. Don't worry about it. I'm not a celebrity like, hey, you want to do a picture with me? I think you're absolutely gorgeous. You're probably 70 years old, but I still want to go take a look some girl. Don't worry, I'm not taking pictures of you on the beach. Talking. Yeah. Alright, you guys. Right here in Caribbean, St. Maarten, the friendly island. The GoPro 5. So, that lady was hilarious from Montreal. Anyways, See you guys all later. If you enjoyed the video. Film this on April 9th, 2021. See you later.